Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and I am Board. And today tutorial we are going to create this part. This is solid part and here we have three views. One is front view and the top view and one side view, and this is the isometric of this part. Okay, but we will start this with the help of these orthographic views. So we will start from this front view. We will start from this front view and then from top the rest portion we will create from the top view. So let us start annex. So in annex we will start from this sketcher and select the plane and orient this, and we will start from this portion, that front view. So try to keep this center line at the middle, so it will easier for us to create some symmetrical object, some symmetrical geometries. So start from this and click here and a little bit down. So I have created this object just with my approximation. So let's start this dimension. This is 12 and gap is, before clicking this I'm going to make this line vertical. Click here and this is 25 millimeter long and this is 12 and this inner depth is 2. Click and change to 2. Cancel it and select these two lines and make them collinear. Okay, and this gap is 10, changes to 10, and here also this gap is again 10. Close, and some radius is this there, and the gap between this two is 10, and between this also the same gap is there, so change it to 10. Now this inner is 43, the distance between this line and this. Okay, this is 43, change it to 43, and 12 we have already specified and 10 we have already defined. Now close it and make these 2 points vertically aligned, and one dimension is left. The distance between vertical line to here is 166 divided by 2 and close. So sketch is fully constant and most of the dimension we have already defined. Now this time I am going to mirror this. So select mirror, I am going to mirror all this with respect to this and click OK and finish our first sketch and extrude this. Just select the symmetric value and the total is 71 divided by 2, and this is like this, and hide this. Okay, this upper portion, this circular, that is circular, so just go over the top face and create two circles. One is 50 diameter, one diameter is 50 and second is 25. So change this diameter to 25 and click over the same plane. Here it is, and we have four circles are there. So the diameter of this circle is 12. So change this diameter to 12 and click here and click. So now this is only positioning is left. So distance between this is 20 and 23 is the vertical distance. This is 23 and close it. Vertically align, and between this, the distance between these two holes is 25. Okay, if you want to mirror this, you can mirror, or we can mirror after extruding this. So I will mirror this. Select these two, click and OK. Okay, so all this has done, only this cut is remaining. So first draw a rectangle. This is something like this, and now we have to dimension. So select dimension, and the distance between this is 61, means half of 61, and close. And this point must be aligned with this, align, and same this point must be aligned with this line or constant or point on curve. So my sketch is defined. If you want to define this dimension, you can define, otherwise leave it. It is not that much necessary. And mirror this curve, and center is this, and close. Now finish this, and the all work will be done in a single cut. Only this is, there is some problem, otherwise all are right. Select this extrude command, and I am extruding all this in reverse direction and through all. Apply. So cuts are there, and again select this outer one and extrude this to 25. So change this dimension to 25 and unite, apply, and again select this and 25, and the rest is 10. The second direction, in second direction it is 10, and I want to subtract this, apply, and see this is, and something is missing here, so no problem, just cut this, and after that we will make some changes, and okay. So this is looking like this, but it is not the proper, so we have to extend this up to this line. So double click over this and delete this constraint and make this line constant with this, and same vertical element, delete this vertical line, constant, and finish this. Sorry, extrude this 53, the depth is 53, so here depth is 53, and some fillet is there, a fillet 10, the radius is 10, click, change dimension to 10, and this radius, the inner is 6, so change 6, outer radius is 15. So this is our part, and this is the best way to create this, and also it is the shortest way to create this kind of part. So hope you enjoy this. So see you in next video, and keep subscribe our channel and share it, and if you like this, please hit the like button, and thank you.